Hi, welcome in this video. My name is Serhiy, I am from Ukraine and I create professional spreadsheets for personal use and businesses. Automated Gantt charts for efficient staff scheduling, visual projects planning, subscription management, workload allocating, and other things you may need to plan for. Interactive dashboards that work for you with easy-to-use checkboxes, drop-downs, selecting of periods to review, speedometer charts, and other impressive features. Dynamic charts for sales reporting, various eye-catching presentations, and any data you need to plot on a chart. Magical VBA macros for data converting, compiling, structuring, building reports. User-friendly tracking tools and pivot tables for betting, expense tracking, stock trading, client management, and way much more things you can get in Excel. Just send me a message and I will start caring about your work. Thank you for your time.